Hi guys, it's Jared, and in this video I will be reacting to MONSTA X, Brave Girls, and ATEEZ Summer Taste music video. This came out of July 2021, and it has over 1.3 million views. I think, is that the one that was with PEPSI? I'm pretty sure it's like a PEPSI collaboration. When I first got into MONSTA X and ATEEZ, a lot of you were like, you need to check out Summer Taste. Like, they're all in there. It's not the full group, but there's a good portion of them in there. So I'm very excited to check it out. But before we get started, okay, right now it's like winter, and this is Summer Taste, so it'll bring me a little bit more sunshine because it is gloomy right now in California. Like, what the heck? But anyway, before we get started, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up if you like my reaction videos, and if you like my videos in this video. Also, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I'm only 15 subscribers away from reaching my goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. It's not even Christmas yet, and I would love to reach it by Christmas. And if I do, great. If I don't, I don't, and it's okay still. Anyway, without further ado, let's watch Summer Taste. Here we go. Brave Girls. I've never heard of them. What do you do that? Oh, Aram? Wait, that's, you know. Oh, Hyunwon's on here. Oh, Hongjoong. I looks so good here. I don't know much about Brave Girls. So they're all with STARSHIP? Oh, so it's I.M, Hyunwon and Shonu, Rain, Brave Girls, ATEEZ, Hongjoong, you know, those two only from ATEEZ? Ow, I bumped my elbow. Dude, Hongjoong. Oh, it's not all STARSHIP because ATEEZ is with KQ. She's so pretty. Is Brave Girls only 2 girls? You know, looks so good there. Only 2 from ATEEZ. Okay, I'll take it. Okay. I don't know much about Rain, to be honest. I'm new to K-pop, so Shonu looks so good. This was right before he got enlisted. Oh, this came out before he got enlisted. Okay, that haircut on Hongjoong. Oh yes! Look at freaking Hyunwon. And he's a DJ, right? H1. Oh my gosh. That's a vibe. What a cool collaboration though, huh? Oh! Okay, I get it. Rain, MONSTA X, Brave Girls, and ATEEZ Summer Taste. Oh my gosh. Can we go back and look a little bit? I'll just do halfway. How about that? I am. But look at Hyunwon. They all look so good in here. She's so pretty, like I said earlier. I don't know much about, like, girl groups. I'm not super into them. And not because they're not good. I just haven't dived in. You know what I mean? Is there a dance practice? I know Rain is very, what's the word? Like, he's very popular. And they used to compare Shonu to Rain. Oh my gosh, they all look so good. What a collab. I love that. I love that they have him as a DJ too on here. Ah! He looks so good. Oh my gosh, yes. I wonder, do they do these collabs every year? Like different artists, I imagine. I love it. Like back in the day, remember? Or not back in the day, but like, I know here in the States they had like Britney Spears be one, the Spice Girls, remember that? Oh my gosh. So that's so cool. I love that. It was Rain, MONSTA X, Brave Girls, and ATEEZ on this collab of Summer Taste. I really liked it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my collab. What the? I hope you enjoyed my reaction to Summer Taste, their collab with PEPSI. Let me know what you thought down below. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you'd like. I would love, love, love to have you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye!